fit for the role, understanding its meaning and usage. Hello and welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're going to dive into the phrase, fit for the role. This is a commonly used expression, especially in professional and performance contexts. If you've ever wondered what it exactly means and how you can use it in your daily conversations or in your professional life, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The phrase, fit for the role, is composed of two main parts, fit and the role. Fit, in this context, refers to being suitable or appropriate. It implies that a person possesses the necessary qualifications, skills, or characteristics for something. The role, on the other hand, can refer to a job position, a part in a play or movie, or any position of responsibility or function. When combined, fit for the role means that a person is deemed suitable or appropriately qualified for a specific position or responsibility. Fit for the role can be used in various contexts, each with its nuances. 1. In job interviews or employment settings, it's often used by employers or human resources professionals to indicate that a candidate has the right skills, experience, and personality for a particular job. For example, after reviewing your experience and interviewing you, we believe you are fit for the role of project manager. 2. In performing arts, directors or casting agents use it to indicate that an actor matches the character they need to portray, not just in skills but also in appearance, demeanor, or energy. For example, her powerful performance and commanding presence make her fit for the role of the queen in the play. 3. In everyday life, it can also be used more informally to suggest that someone is suitable for a particular task or responsibility. For example, given your excellent organizational skills, you're fit for the role of event coordinator for our community fundraiser. Understanding the context is crucial when determining whether someone is fit for the role. It's not just about having the right skills on paper. It involves a broader assessment, including personality, adaptability, and how well the individual's values align with the company's culture or the specific demands of the role. It's a holistic view of suitability. And that's a wrap on the phrase, fit for the role. Remember, being fit for a role goes beyond having the right qualifications. It's about the overall match between the person and the specific requirements and expectations of the position. We hope this video helps you understand and use this phrase with confidence in your professional and daily interactions. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.